Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about living your life wholeheartedly, living your life for you, making sure that you're doing your absolute best. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is being able to live your life for yourself and completely for you. It doesn't mean being selfish, it means doing things that are within your morals, staying true to yourself, having integrity, having respect, come to terms with your insecurities, whatever that might be, and accept them. Accept your flaws. Some things you can't change, you just have to deal with them. You don't want to look back and have stopped yourself from doing so many things because you let your insecurities get in the way. You have to ask yourself, are you living a really fulfilled life? Is your life worth it? Are you doing everything you can in every single aspect of your life? If the answer is no, then we have to all improve. This is why this channel is all about becoming the best version of yourself. It means working on certain aspects that you're not entirely proud of, working on things that you know are lacking, being able to accept your flaws, being able to accept who you are, but also striving for better without putting yourself at harm and without endangering those around you. Living your life wholeheartedly means accepting that yes, you're not perfect, but you're giving it your all, and accepting that you're worthy, you're brave enough, you're entitled to have everything you want, and you're going to work hard at it.